Right. Hey, Mike Foster here. I'm gonna eat the street again. This place is a local legend called the Otis Café. Check out what I'm gonna get there. Ready to eat the Otis street? I am. Ham fry, oysters, spinach, onion, scrambled 2 eggs, cheese, toasted hash brown. There's the hang. What's it called? The hang what? It's called the hang something. I forget it. You'll see it. There's that. There's the toast. There's these German hash browns, and this is seasoning. So look at all the stuff in there. We're gonna put a little on here. We're gonna take a bite. So we'll start with this. This is my wife only halfway through. Look at those potatoes. Right, baby? Little coffee. This stuff. Kosher soap, Thai mustard, bay leaves, savory, basil, coriander, marjoram, thyme, parsley, garlic, and dry onion. Oh, that sucker's hot. Oh my God, that might be too hot. This is the eggs. It's gone. It's got spinach, cheese, onions, and oysters. Killer. Now we have to try. These are German potatoes. Got cheese, onions, and these potatoes. Too bad it wasn't hot, huh? All right, we're gonna try these. Those are good. My wife loves them too. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. This is Killer Diller, Otis Cafe. Keep eating the street with Mike. Watch this. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Look at that traffic out there. We ain't going anywhere. Jeez, look at that traffic. Can you imagine that? I hope it's good. Fat and fun hat. You see me doing this? I did pretty good. Oh. Sweet Babu and Baba.